Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can exchange products with Savana. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store where you can download the app for Savana, and you can also find an app on the Google Play Store as well. To find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available and find the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, first thing you're going to want to do is check Savana's return exchange policy. You can visit savana.com and find their returns or exchanges policy page to confirm if exchanges are allowed, the time frame for exchanging items, and any conditions. So you're going to want to log into savana.com, your account or the app where you made the purchase, locate your order. You can go to your order history or purchases section to find the product you want to exchange. Select the order or product and look for an option like return, exchange, or request an exchange. Fill out any forms required with details about the product and the reason for the exchange. Pack the item securely in its original packaging along with any tags, receipts, or accessories. Then ship the product back. You're going to send the product to the address provided by savana.com for exchanges or returns. Usually they'll provide instructions or a prepaid return label. Wait for confirmation and replacement. Once the product is received and inspected, savana.com should process the exchange and send you the replacement item or issue store credit depending on their policy. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. And you'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.